I attended Comic Con in Delhi in December 2025, and it was a powerful trip down memory lane. Just like 2024, I was greeted by the Raj Comics stall where I met the creator of the Indian superhero universe, Sanjay Gupta. Meeting him again was a highlight. It is never enough to spend time with someone who shaped my fondest childhood memories. I remember spending endless hours getting fascinated by the worlds of superheroes like Super Commando Dhruv, Dagger, Nagraj, Paramanu, Bankelal, Bhediya, Anthony, and many more. After purchasing a stack of comics, I explored further and was greeted by fans engaged in cosplay. Hundreds of participants had stepped into their anime, DC, or Marvel avatars to celebrate their shared love for the comic world. Beyond meeting Sanjay Gupta, seeing the legacy of Indian comics represented alongside Pran Entertainment, the creators of Chacha Chaudhary and Amar Chitra Katha felt like a true celebration of our own stories. The experiential zones were equally impressive. The NODWIN Gaming Arena was a beast this year. At 40,000 square ft, it was their largest yet and a paradise for esports fans. From Batman to a Spider-Man proudly sporting a turban, the creativity was off the charts. By the time I finished booth hopping, I heard the stage was being set for a remarkable performance by Young Sami. The Nigerian origin rapper performed his favorite tracks, and in case you didn't know, he is proficient in rapping in Hindi, Haryanvi, and Punjabi, among other languages. He had the entire crowd roaring, proving that homegrown musical talent is now just as central to Comic Con as the comics themselves. I also had the opportunity to meet him backstage, where we bonded over our shared love for rap and hip-hop. Dressed in his signature all-black apparel, he discussed his inspirations, citing artists like Eminem and hinting at major upcoming collaborations. Though not a die-hard comic buff, he is a big Superman fan. His humility and passion for creating music for the young Indian audience were truly inspiring. It was immediately clear that Comic Con has evolved into something massive, spanning over 4 acres at the NSIC Exhibition Center. The venue buzzed with the energy of over 52,000 fans celebrating everything from global blockbusters to homegrown heroes. While the vibe was unmatched, the logistics of such a massive crowd showed some strain. With over 52,000 people in attendance, the food setup and washroom facilities could have been better organized to handle the footfall. Shorter queues and more frequent maintenance would have made the long day much more comfortable. As the curtains closed on this edition, it was clear that Comic Con isn't just an event anymore. It's a growing cult in India. As CEO Shefali Johnson noted, this has become a safe space where fans return year after year, keeping their entry tags as souvenirs of their dedication. With the addition of new cities to host Comic Con like Guwahati among others, it's evident that India's passion for this culture is only getting started. Disclaimer: the author is an expert in the fields of consumer technology, auto and lifestyle. Views shared here are personal. NI